Good morning to all of you. Last week I had taught you a visit to Cambridge, lesson 4, and you have written word meaning of this lesson in your notebook. Today I am telling you comprehension question. So open your book on page 24 and listen. Question 1. Name the book written by Stephen Hawking. Question number 1 का A. Name the book which written by Stephen Hawking. Answer is the name of book is A Brief History of Time, which is written by Stephen Hawking. Question B. What makes differently abled people stronger according to the author? According to the author, growing up disabled, you can fed up with people asking you to be brave as if you have a courage account on which you are too lazy to draw a check. The only thing that makes you stronger is seeing somebody like you achieving something huge. That's all. C. What is the scientist's message for disabled? What is the scientist's message for it? अपाहिज लोगों के लिए वैज्ञानिकों का क्या संदेश है? आंसर इज it was a disadvantage of his voice synthesizer that it could convey no inflection, no shades or tone, and he could not tell how ethically he agreed with him. This is an inspiration beyond the cliff for him, and surely for others it helped him. The writer expresses his gratitude to Stephen Hawking. What is the gratitude for? Answer is the writer expresses his gratitude to Stephen Hawking. It is there any advice you can give disabled people, something that might make him life better? That's all, dear students. In word power, choose the word from the box which can be substituted for given sentence. Deaf, illiterate, blind, dumb, lame. One who cannot see, give answer in one word. One who cannot see, जो देख नहीं सकता, blind. Answer is blind. B. One who cannot hear, जो सुन नहीं सकता, deaf. One who cannot speak, जो बोल नहीं सकता, dumb. One who cannot walk, lame. One who cannot read and write, illiterate. In language practice, use neither nor to join the pair of sentences given below. One has done for you. Dear students, neither nor का प्रयोग करना है. जैसे I don't eat candy, I don't eat cake. Neither do I eat candy nor cake. In this way, you can change. I am telling you, I do not like John, I don't like Peter. Neither do I like John nor Peter. See, he did not come, he did not call. Neither did he come nor call. D. He does not drink, he does not smoke. Neither does he drink nor smoke. E. She did not like Rome, she did not like Paris. Neither did she like Rome nor Paris. That's all. In language practice question 2. Use all or both in the blanks. Tell your partner why you choose me one or the other. He has two brothers, both are liars. Second, more than 10 persons called, all of them wanted to see you. They all cheered the team. 4. Both her parents are teachers. How much have you got? Give me both of it. That's all in language practice question 3. Use of let's and let's. Dear students, let's का प्रयोग पास्ट ऑफ ही के साथ होता है सिंगुलर फॉर्म में. इसकी मीन्स होती है अलाउ, परमिट करना. और लेट्स का प्रयोग सजेशन और रिक्वेस्ट के लिए होता है. जैसे हिज मदर allow to allow him watch TV till midnight. इस वाक्य में परमिट के लिए है allow लिख दिया. Let us hope for the best. Let us. See. Let us see what is on the menu. The teacher, D. The teacher lets the children play. E. He lets his dog to go out. Let us go fishing. That's all, dear students. After watching video, you write the comprehension question A, B, C, D, word power question 1 and language practice question 1, 2, 3. That's all. I will meet in next video.